Hello everyone, we are Group 1. Our report is about Hong Kong International Airport service system for passengers. Mm, Hong Kong International Airport has been a key contributor to Hong Kong's position as a leading international and regional aviation center. In 2015, Hong Kong Airport handled 68.5 million passengers. It is connected to over 190 destinations through around 1,100 daily flights by more than 100 airlines. In February this year, Hong Kong Airport was rewarded as Airport of the Year by Airport Transportation World Organization. This is another one of 60 other awards earned in the past. According to the statistics provided by the airport, the passenger flow has doubled since 1998 and it is still growing. The growth rate actually made a new record last year. But the Hong Kong airport is actually located in an island which is remote from city. How could it be so successful in attracting and handling the services for a world level passenger flow? When we were studying the strategy of the airport, the transport facilities are identified as a key support. First, let us take a look on the facilities for local people. In the beginning of the airport programs, there were so-called 10 core projects planned to ensure airports can integrate into Hong Kong society. Among these programs, lands were reclaimed from the sea for subway stations, bridges were built to connect this remote island to the city. New subway line was planned to connect the most populated areas and CBDs. A shuttle bus station with e-channel services were placed adjacent to the iconic central area where skyscrapers clustered together. Even a new tunnel under the sea was built to connect the Hong Kong Island to Kowloon district to provide a shortcut for private cars. Other than all these programs, public buses launched new routes to provide the cheapest transportation to airport from various places all over the city. All of these programs ensure that airport is integrated into Hong Kong society by alternative transport collections. For passengers traveling from or to mainland China, there are cross-boundary coaches, Skypier ferries, private limousines. These are all evidence of the policy to build a new multi-modal transport links to the PRD, which is the most important extended marketplace for the airport. Among these transports, the Skypier cross-boundary ferries are marvelously contributing to the experience of international passengers. It launched its first operation in 2003. Travelers arrive in Skypier, proceed to the passenger terminal by a shuttle train without having to go through Hong Kong immigration and custom formalities. Skypier is clearly offering convenient access to Hong Kong International Airport's expanded home market in the PRD in line with its stated strategic focus. According to the Hong Kong immigrations, the passengers arrived in Skypier fluctuate in the past years, but it generally keeps rising because these passengers arrived in Hong Kong airports. They can generally be considered as the client of this airport. Currently, there are line ports offering this speedy arrangement. Passengers can even pre-check their luggage and obtain their boarding pass at some of them. Without luggage, passengers' experience of crossing the border would be hugely improved. According to the prediction revised in 2014, there will be at least a 15% increase of passenger flow. It will bring ever-growing challenges in flow control and waiting time management. Our group studied the service management systems used in Hong Kong International Airport. Let me introduce my teammate Laurie to brief our study on the tactics used there.
Actually, there are two kinds of tools offered by Hong Kong International Airport to manage the line for arrivals and departures. The first one is e-channel services. And it's like a service package offered by Hong Kong International Airport to ease the way of immigration clearance for those who travel frequently through the airport. And for those who aged 18 or above holding a valid travel document and valid multiple visit visa is eligible to enroll to in-channel services at the airport. And all passengers can submit application at either e-channel office of immigration departments or the terminal number one of the airport. And after enrolled, passengers need to place travel document onto the reader after entering the e-channels. And basically, there are four benefits of the use of e-channel services in waiting line management. Save the time for visitors when they are waiting, mitigate the heavy passengers waiting flow in the traditional physical channel, and decrease the number of workers, and lastly, standardize the process of immigration clearance. The other one is shopping, dining, and entertainment at the airport. And the reasons why Hong Kong the airport offers passengers shopping, dining, and entertainment services is based on the psychological behaviors of customers in waiting lines. And to reduce the passengers' anxiety when they are waiting, their attention should be distracted through the entertainment and engagement. Therefore, Hong Kong Airport provides additional services, and there are three places in total that visitors are able to enjoy those additional services and kill time. The Terminal Number 1, Terminal 2, and Sky Pier. The shopping items are categorized into jewelry, watches, fashion accessories, and so on. For dinings, passengers can make choice among Asian, Chinese, Western restaurants. And passengers are also entitled to relax themselves at four entertainment locations: Aviation Discovery Center, Dream Come True Education Park, Green Live Air, and Theater at the airport.
Last but not least, Hong Kong International Airport has introduced a baggage claim procedure enhancement system to reduce the waiting time during the check-in and check-out process. So, what is the relationship between baggage claim and service operation? Passenger terminal is the first stop when one lands to a new city, and a study reveals that the perceptions of service quality of the airport is related to landing activities, while the waiting time on baggage claim is inevitable. So, good control on waiting time in baggage claim area can definitely build up a positive perceptions of service operation towards the airport. So on the screen, you will show the baggage flow in passenger flight. Each airport has actually its own baggage handling system, which we call BHS, which serves three functions. The first function is to move the bags from check-in to departure gate. The second function is to transfer the bags from one gate to another. And last but not least, the third function is to move the bags from arrival gate to baggage claim area. So HKIA implement radio frequency identification, which stands for RFID technology into its BHS started in 2008. So nowadays more than 90% of all departing bags are using these techniques. So we can use YouTube, which is in Cantonese, to show how it works.
LSCM 香港物流及供應鏈管理研發中心，致力鑽研有關應用技術。LSCM 研發嘅 RFID 射頻識別技術，早年曾成功為香港國際機場優化佢哋嘅行李管理系統。
Okay, so it contributes a lot to handling efficiency. So it carries more information for our FID compared to the traditional 1D barcode tag, and the reading rate is much faster than the traditional ones. Last but not least, the scanner can read the text from any point to eliminate any reading failure due to floated text. So all of these results that our FID tag is in boosting the baggage handling efficiency over the traditional 1D barcode system. Moreover, HKIA continuously upgrade on its BHS. It is operated by Jardine Engineering Corporation by installing a new direct feed system, installing new transfer screening feed system, upgrading the sortation system, and to build a new level of steel platform for the conveyor system. So all of this delivers a reliable baggage handling system to the airport, which offers a better service to all passengers. So all of these converts that HKIA delivers 98.1% of first best to baggage claim within 20 minutes. It is an impressive result when compared to airport with similar capacity like London Heathrow Airport on is nearly 30 minutes per claim. So all of these help to win a Skytrax 2014 Best Baggage Handling System Award. So, in conclusion, Hong Kong Airport Authority introduced an excellent service operation in control of waiting time during the whole process by pass between local residents and foreigners to increase the operation efficiency in immigration process by implementation of e-channel, maintain a high level entertainment to minimize the perception of waiting in onboarding process, and advanced baggage handling system to shorten the waiting time in baggage claim process. All of this will increase the service level of Hong Kong International Airport, and it becomes a frequent winner on Skytrax Best Airport of the World. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.